Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Azza and Ares Auto. Today I'll be working on a 2010 Toyota Avensis. This is an ocular situation. Key on, you can see. And this is the key I tend to add to the system. You can see it's not programmed. So we go to system. Put the pointer light on, go to Toyota, manual selection, Europe, Avensis, smart key. Yes. Do animal status scan to see what we have. There are 3 keys in the system. So let's back up the immo data. Back up immo data by OBD. Wait, bring them back, not yet. The battery is low, you can see 7 volts. Yes, let's hope that it's able to back up the immo data correctly. 7 volts, it is rather low. So let me save it. Avensis 1.0. We are going to save it here. Backup succeeded. The battery is low, so we want to change the battery. After that, we do the generate the analog key. So we have replaced the battery. So next, you can see that the battery voltage is over 12 volts, which is better for what I want to do. So now we'll create an analog key. Select the pump data we just backed up now. It was here. This is the pump data we just back up now. Okay. So I should connect the APB112. So connecting it. It has been connected. So it has been generated now. So let's touch it to the instrument panel. Has light up. Instrument panel has light up. So yes, it was properly generated. So now we are going to add key. So we are going to add this key now. Yes, I want to use the APB112. Put this on 4. Put the smart key to be linked to the start button. Here. Learning succeeded. Okay. To actually know if it has succeeded, I'm going to test the proximity function. This is the key. Okay, here. That's it.
Yeah, go bring my food. May I check them?
You walk, but so we are going to redo the process. Let us add smart key again. So learning succeed. Okay, learning succeed.